HMRC is watching all of us, not with binoculars, but with AI. Hello and welcome. In our previous video, we introduced you to HMRC's AI-powered system called AI Connect, a sophisticated tool that gathers data from a wide range of sources to detect undeclared income and discrepancies. Now, as we discussed, this system gathers information from multiple sources, and as a result of it, we came across a number of real-time cases which we will discuss. First, where does AI system gets all its information? They abstract your data from the bank accounts, your card terminals, also the online platforms like eBay, Amazon, Just Eat, or cryptocurrency platforms. Also, MoneyGram, Western Union, money transfer portals, and your DVLA, land registry records, and not to forget from your social media, among others. Now, as a result of this, HMRC is now initiating targeted inquiries based on data patterns that do not match declared income. We've got a detailed video about HMRC Connect. Please watch it and you'll know more about the AI systems. Now let's look at some real-time cases. Case number one, where a person has made some international transfers. Now an individual received letter from HMRC stating that they had sent 10,000 in 2019, 15,000 in 2021 and 13,000 in 2024 through Western Union. HMRC flagged it and then initiated an inquiry requesting update tax records, and these payments do not match with the income of that particular individuals. Now, how HMRC has got this information? We have mentioned the sources, and HMRC AI Connect is doing the work in minutes, not in hours or days. It's scanning all the financial information and creating a profile. Now, this was about the money that was transferred outside UK using third-party services like MoneyGram and Western Union. Let's look at another business where there was undeclared self-employment income by a courier. Now, in this one, the individual approached us. He had income in 2020 and 2021, which he received from a known courier company. All these payments were made to his bank accounts, but he did not declare these payments to HMRC in his personal self-assessment tax returns. Now, HMRC, thanks to their AI system, initiated an inquiry. Now they are requesting information, asking him to file the tax returns and pay due taxes. Third real-time case. We are approached by a client who runs a takeaway business, and this inquiry was about VAT. So first one was about money transfers outside UK. Second one was about self-employment. This one is about VAT. Now HMRC approached them and said that they have information from Just Eat and Deliveroo that the particular business has received sales of above VAT threshold, but the tax returns they filed at that time did not show that amount of turnover, resulting under declaration of turnover, resulting in non-registration for VAT. Now, through the use of AI system, HMRC found out that the sales were high. Now they are requesting that particular business to register for VAT, backdated, and pay VAT for all those years. Next one, call it case 4. Now, this is business to business comparison. A lot of businesses across UK have received letters like this, where HMRC says that their declared profits were significantly lower than the similar business in the same sector. And HMRC has requested explanation and potential amendments. Now, this means HMRC AI system is comparing data of various businesses in a sector, and as a result of that, they are initiating inquiries. Now let's look at another different case, which is undisclosed property income. Now this particular individual, he received letter from HMRC that they know from the records received from land registry that this individual hold a couple of properties for which no tax return has been filed. Now HMRC is requesting them to file their tax returns, to pay due taxes and penalties, and also provide information about the source of funds they used to buy these properties. Another case which is close to the same property income is another person received the letter where HMRC said that their records show that they bought a property back in 2017. Value of the property was around £100,000, but in that particular year, that person did not have that much of income, and in years before and after, their incomes does not correspond with this property. At the same time, this property was bought on cash. So HMRC needs to know where did this money come from. Now, next case is also for a self-employed person who was working as a driving instructor, and she did not declare her income because she thought it's a side hustle, but she was getting all her bookings through an online portal. Now, HMRC approached her and said, we know that you've received this much of income from this company and that company on these dates, but we do not see that we have got your self-employment records. So please register, pay your taxes, and they may end up paying penalties as well. Now, HMRC AI system is not only working, it's working very well. And with the passage of time, it will improve. Now, what should we do as taxpayer? We should be compliant. We must declare all our incomes. Doesn't matter if it's small or big, doesn't matter if it's a side hustle or main income, we must declare it. We must file all our tax returns. We must pay our taxes on time. Remember, this HMRC AI system, it's data-driven, cross-referenced, and increasingly precise. If there is a mismatch, they will find it. So we always recommend that review your income sources, include all your side gigs and online sales and any other incomes, rental incomes, and whatsoever it is, file it. Ensure your bookkeeping is complete and up to date. Seek professional advice and to avoid shortcuts. Transparency is your best protection. Remember, compliance is not just about avoiding penalties, it's about peace of mind and compliance. Stay safe, stay ahead, stay compliant. Thank you.